Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to add images to your Glog. I did want to point out that I decided to go with more of an orange and purple. As you can see from the color that was suggested, there are some oranges at the top there along with that purple color scheme. So what I did is I went in and I double clicked here to edit. I selected my text, I chose all colors, and I experimented along the wheel here until I found one I liked. I then added it to the favorites so that I can use that same orange later if necessary. In order to add images, click on Tools, choose Image, and you're going to click on Upload. Go to the folder where you saved all those images for this project and start uploading your images. So I'll upload Botswana. Now if it takes a really long time to process, I found that if you close it out and go back in, it's usually there. So for example, I would click on that X, I would go to Tools, and it should show up. So I'll go ahead and select the image and choose Add a Frame. The frame makes it really interesting. Again, you want to come in here and look at your frame options until you find something that you really like. While going through some of the options, I came across this under Styles, so I'm going to click Use It. I'll go ahead and click on Exit, and then I'll resize it, and I'll move it in the area that I might want it. Because I have that purple scheme going on, I'll select the image, I'll choose the eyedrop option, and click on that purple. I'll close that out. So that actually does go with it. Now some of the frames would give you the solid purple. Some frames might not even work with the purple color scheme. So you really want to come in and experiment. If you don't like it, you would just select it and hit the delete key and start over. Click on the image, add frame. I'm going to apply a different frame and use it. I'll go ahead and close that out. I'll select it, choose the eyedrop, and pick that purple. As you can see, that purple is a little darker compared to the other one. You do want to go ahead and click on Tools and choose Text and go ahead and add the name of the country that the image is associated with. So I'm going to come through here and look for a title. As you can see, there's different types of titles that you can add. For the ones that have a lot of text, those are going to be the ones that you use to add your information. But for the titles, you just want these that are just a one line. I'm going to go ahead and try this one. I'll choose Use It. Go ahead and close that out, and I'll move it up here. And what I might do is double click on it and type in Botswana. And I had decided, I'll select that, I've decided that I want to go with the vertigo for my text. Keep that in mind. You want to have a consistent font across all titles. That is considered good design. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little larger. You don't want Botswana to be larger than Africa because Africa is the main title. So go ahead and choose all colors, and maybe I'll choose the orange. But I also want to change that black to purple. So I'll choose the eyedrop. I'll then choose the purple. Actually, I decided I'm going to try a different shade of that orange. Again, you don't want to have too many different colors. So 3 different colors might be really good. So I'll go ahead and choose a darker shade of the orange for my title. I will then double click on that text again. With that text selected, I'll go to all colors and choose the purple. So I might put it at top, might make it a little smaller. Again, I'm probably going to play around with this. I'm going to go ahead and continue adding images and titles to my Glog. I have now added all 5 images with frames that complement my color scheme, and I've added the titles. You do want to make sure that the titles are the same font and that they're roughly the same size. Do make sure that they do not get larger than the main title, which is Africa. This concludes the session on how to add your images with frames that complement your color scheme and titles that also have a consistent font scheme. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.